Hey guys, how's it going? We're back here at Vicrez. Today we got another installation video. This time we're going to go with our PPF installation. So today, as you can see, we got our Tesla Model Y right here. So the installation that we're going to do today, the first part is we're going to go ahead and do very simple, the hood. The part number is VPP186, I believe it is. So before we were going to do the installation, I went ahead already and kind of cleaned off the hood because it was a little dirty. And to do that, I actually used our auto care. So I went and used our Waterless Car Pro, which is part number is VAC109. So yeah, I just did it, sprayed it down a bit, wiped it down. So now we're gonna go ahead into the process of installing the PPF. So when you guys are applying PPF, the solutions that you use to apply it, like all the liquid and stuff. So your slip solution, which you spray onto the PPF and the hood or bumper, like just the whole car where you're playing the PPF. Basically what it is a big majority of it is just pure water, all of it like up to the top with a few drops of baby shampoo. It's highly recommended to use baby shampoo. Apparently it like gives it a better slip and stuff, especially like how oily it is as well. And then for the tack solution, which is what you spray on to apply, kind of gives like the PPF a grip, is basically more like rubbing alcohol and water, like half and half, or I think it's 70% water and then 30% rubbing alcohol. So those are basically the solutions you need to help put on PPF. What we got right here is, this is the pre-cut that we do offer again on the website. Again, part number is VPP186 for the Tesla Model Y hood. I got it right here cut out, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it onto there. So first thing we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put the slip solution on the hood, spray it down on it. And again, you do wanna be generous with the slip solution. So it is gonna have a lot. Then what I'm gonna do is I peel off the pre-cut. I'm gonna lift it up on this corner. Again, like I said, you wanna be generous with the slip solution because this helps you when you're applying it. If you wanna take your time, it doesn't dry out, doesn't stick on the car that fast. So it gives you all the time that you need. Also, the slip solution kind of helps the PPF not sticking to each other, so you don't get all crumbled up. Just like that. Now that we got that, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the PPF from the protective paper, because this is a big piece, so that's why I folded it in half. Or unless you have some help with you, you know, to have them grab one side, you grab the other. And we'll put it on the hood right here. And we're gonna just roll it out. And just like a little mention that the pre-cut on the hood already has the Tesla logo cut out. So if you guys want, this will kind of help you with the installation. You could just go ahead and kind of like slide the symbol under it like that. So it kind of helps you line it up. I do this, help line it out. You see, like with the slip solution, it helps me move it around. It doesn't get stuck on the hood. Yeah, so maybe make sure every once in a while you still kind of apply a little bit more slip solution, because it kind of does dry out fast in a way, especially when you're doing, but again, this is time consuming, so I am going right now and spraying a little bit more until I get like the perfect angle that I need. And then once we have it finally angled perfectly, that's when I'll apply the tack solution, and then that's when we'll start using the squeegees. So now that we got it lined up to where we're gonna need, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the tack solution. Go in here and spray it in there. And do the one side. All right, so we got that. We're gonna get our squeegee, and we're gonna start squeegeeing it out. So start out from, let's do the bottom. All right, now that we got the PPF all on the hood, we squeezed out all the remaining moisture underneath. What we're going ahead is I'm gonna lift up the hood a bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the heat gun like this. I'm gonna apply it to the corners and then bend, like fold it in so I could get the grip under here. Start folding it in. Just cut off like the little excess that kind of hangs off. That's it for the installation. Again, it was very simple, very easy. It is kind of time consuming, so then if you're very professional at it, again, this is not me being professional because I don't know how to do PPF. This is my first attempt ever, but I'm guessing my skills are mid. Probably a little bit more practice. What we are gonna do is that we are gonna do the whole Tesla. So stay tuned for that. And hopefully by the end, I'll be a master or I'll be a pro at installing PPF. And then I'm sure after that, we're gonna start getting more PPF content, maybe eventually vinyl content too. So yeah, stay tuned for those installations. Thank you guys so much for being here at the installation. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on our YouTube channel. Follow our social medias on IG, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook at vicrez.com. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys next time.